It's now recording.
Alright.
You can go like this too, so it's easier to see it that way, you know, like if you hold it down or...
Yep.
Oh, you got the bottle and everything.
Yep. No, good that point. No, it's got to angle it back the other way. It's probably going to hit them trees.
Woo! Smoke bomb! No wonder they sell them at Target.
Smoke bomb. Anthrax.
Maybe these ones. Oh, these ones are smoke bomb. Smoke crackers.
Smoke crackers.
Hey, we should go up to Wisconsin and buy a whole bunch.
Nah.
Like we used to.
No.
I got $900.
No, you ain't spending it on that. I guarantee you owe me $350 for them taxes if you want to spend it that way.
Go ahead and take it.
Look at that thing. The mad scientist.
Those wicks are fast.
That one is.
Same shit.
Same thing.
Ah, this shit's lame.
Kmart. They sell them at Walmart.
Target.
There he is. Mad scientist. Here, take a few. Hello, folks. That was pretty neat. But yeah, I don't think I can